All right, Daniela, thank you so much. Good morning, everybody. We are live this morning at the Gladstone Community Center for our Let's Talk series. We have so much to tell you about. And one of the things I found out about, I actually heard about at 2 Let's Talk events. One of the folks who helps the Future Ready Lab run in the North Kansas City School District came to the Liberty Let's Talk and the Gladstone Let's Talk because she said, you've got to come see what these kids are learning and what they get to do. They are learning about so many different career paths from technology and well beyond that. And they're doing it with a really cool project. Watch this. Parts of this school project might remind you of your days in the classroom, but I bet this doesn't. This is the Future Ready Lab in the North Kansas City School District, and these 5th graders are working in groups to tell the story about a children's book author through animatronics.
And our author is Patricia Polacco.
Christopher Paul Curtis. He's made lots of books like Bud Not Buddy and Watson's Go to Birmingham.
We're programming a Sparky or a robot, and we're using like this technology over here.
So the way this robot's moving right now, you did that?
Mm-hmm. We're using the pegs to like move the mouse and make it look like it's talking.
They learn how to program every movement and record the story for the animatronic robot to tell as that author. What about the first time you made the robot move? What did you think?
It was like somehow. I don't know how. I just felt like I can do everything now.
Should we button her sweater?
But they need to make it look like the author too, with wardrobe.
I'll even let you in on a little secret. Clips.
Oh.
The clips help us have the pants stay on while still looking natural.
And hair and makeup, plus researching the author and more. That means lots of different jobs to take on.
It's really fun. You don't really know you like it until you try it. And I never would have really thought that this could be like a job opportunity until we came to Future Ready Lab.
What might be out there for you, right? And if you can't be it if you don't see it, and if you've never tried it before, you may not be aware of what you can really do.
Cami Neff is the coordinator here and says every 5th grader in the district, about 2,000 students, will come to the lab for 1 or 2 days and experience this project.
It never gets old. Seeing them look at each other and go, I did that. And so just giving them something that in today's age where kids are so used to digital things, being amazed at just the wonder and being curious and saying, how did I do that?
Have you seen some light bulb moments?
Yeah, a lot. This is their path. This is where they're starting to think about what they're going to do in the future, how they're going to make a difference, and this is the beginning.
I'm thinking about staying here and maybe being an engineer because it is really fun.
Multiple kids told me that, unprovoked, that, yeah, they're kind of thinking of a new job they might not have thought about before, and that's the whole goal. It was really, really cool. It's really pretty new for the district, too. The district told me that this started in October 2024. COVID relief funds helped them start this and launch it. Different federal funds now support it, they told me, and they also told me that these kids that get to go through this are exposed to 50 different career paths that they otherwise might not have been. And if you're thinking animatronics, that makes you think of a theme park, right? They definitely talk about Walt Disney. She had a Disney necklace on. And one thing that she said to me that I knew, but to put in perspective, Walt Disney was a 5th grader in the Kansas City area, right? You never know where your dreams are going to take you. And Taylor, it turns out it is a small world after all.
Well done on that, firstly. Secondly, I'm mind blown by that. Just watching them. Like, my kids are in school and have gone through some minor program, but that is unbelievable what they're able to do already at 5th grade and learn that. That absolutely is going to open up some big time doors. Great story. Lindsay Shively live for us this morning. Careful around the water. That doesn't mix with animatronics, and I don't want you to get in there and get a spark. Be very, very careful.